Science has repeated an almost comforting idea. Meditation calms the mind. It reduces stress, stabilizes attention, and lowers anxiety. Everything very reasonable and measurable in scientific terms. Before continuing, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and give like to this video. Your support is fundamental to continue creating quality content about science and meditation. A recent study published in Neuroscience of Consciousness and led by neurophysiologist Annalisa Pascarella suggests something more disturbing and fascinating. Determined meditative practices not only induce calm, but deeply reorganize neuronal dynamics. The team analyzed 12 Buddhist monks with more than 15,000 hours of meditation experience. These monks belong to the Thai tradition of the forest, known for their rigorous focus on meditation. What they found was not simply more relaxation. Neurophysiological records showed that there was a modification in brain synchronization patterns during certain advanced meditative states. It is not just a matter of activating or deactivating specific areas of the brain. An alteration in the functional architecture of the brains is observed as a dynamic system, which changes their usual behavior. Neuronal networks modify their way of communicating, altering the balance between integration and information segregation. This suggests that the brain adopts a different, more unified operating mode. Are we facing a simple neuronal plasticity, or evidence that consciousness can move to radically different functional configurations? This question is essential to understand the impact of meditation. The study does not mention enlightenment or mystical experiences. It speaks of data and neuronal dynamics, suggesting that deep meditation could be a mental technology capable of exploring the spectrum of consciousness. For years, it has been debated whether advanced contemplative states are modulations of attention or qualitative changes in conscious experience. This work seems to lean toward the second option. When brain activity is reorganized globally, we are not facing a simple mental rest. We are facing a systemic reconfiguration of consciousness that opens up new possibilities. If 12 monks can alter the dynamics of their brain in a measurable way, what latent potential remains unexplored in the rest of us? Meditation could be an inner laboratory for all.